Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Eric Johnson Jr. and for those who have never seen the channel before, I'm a 19-year-old race car driver that tries to do all things racing. So if you like that kind of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. But this video specifically is from our last race this weekend at Mission Valley Super Oval up in Polson, Montana. And this is specifically going to be from my perspective what I saw in my first super late model start, and it is the last green flag run of the race. So I thought I'd just put up a portion that strictly just shows my perspective with the spotter audio over it. Nothing on the screen besides what I'm seeing, and that's what this one is. If you're interested in seeing how our entire day went and what led up to the race, I will be making a vlog video that goes up after this one, whether it's today or tomorrow, I'm not exactly sure, but stay tuned for that. And besides that, guys, I just want to thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy.
Get ready. Get ready. Green, green, green. Still inside, clear low, inside, back at your door. Still inside, still in there. Clear right there, clear all behind you. Inside quarter. Throw it hard on top, go out, you're good, no wreck. Inside, come on. Inside, let's get it back. By 3 out the back, let's get about a 75, set him up for exit. Alright, bud, you're fast. They're crossing over here. On low, carry it under him. Keep it coming. There you go. Hard in. Still there at your door. Clear quarter clear. Clear all the way around. Clear by 1. Now go get the next one. You got this. That bigger arc looks better over here. The big arc's real fast. Clear by 5, 7, 8. Go get him, man. That's where speed's at. That arc into 1's better right there too. Arc into 1, big arc into 3. Clear about 10. There you go, hot rod. Let's go get that 15. We better than everybody in front of us here. Let's go get them. Corner, beautiful. 3/10 faster than the one in front of you. Clear about half a straightaway out the back. Really good roll speed there. That was a perfect 1 and 2. You can see you're catching them quick. Big arc over here is really good. There you go. Go ahead. Kitty. Come on. Big arc over here. Keep it rolling. Lead is quicker than the 3 in front of you. Really good entry into 1, really good entry. Perfect, right there. Hit that mark every lap. That's where we gotta be. That's as fast as we've been. That's perfect. There you go, bud. Get your rhythm now. You got her figured out. Got him. Don't waste too much time here. Set him up on the exit. Alright, high and low off. Get him off the floor. Your speed by him. Carry your speed. Alright, one more lap you'll need. Stay tight as you can into 3 so you can roll under him off the floor. Carry it in there, carry it in, hard in, there you go. So there, quarter, clear by 2. Go get the next one. 3/10 faster than 2 in front of you. By 2, 3, 4, 5. Still clear by 5, 3/10 quicker than those two racing. That big arc over here will free you up to the center. Bigger arc. There's perfect. That's where you got to be. Let's go get these two. Leave up off of 4 here. Off of 4. Keep working. Right up on him till 3. Exit of 4 will get him. Working it, bud. Find out where you're better. You'll have a slowing up top here in the middle of 1 and 2. Slowing up top, slowing up top. Still there, clear. Clear the wall, clear by 3. Still got 30 to go and we're getting faster. Everybody else is slowing down. Figure a way out here, figure a way. There you go. There you go. Alright, you're clear. Get back in line, get another run at him. That was a good shot at him there. Now you know what you can and can't do. Let's do something else next time. Find a way here, find a way. We're way slow. He's way slower than we are, and everybody's walking away in front of him because of it. He's holding you up. There you go. Keep your run on him here, see if you can get to him. Clear, clear, clear. Now go get the next one. That's 3rd and 4th in front of you right there. P3, P4. Keep doing what you're doing. Big arc, straight exit to 4. There you go, bud. Let's go get him. Come on, come on. Carry your run down the straightaway. That's your best part is off of 4. Catch everything you can there through the center of 1 and 2. See how quick you caught these guys. So you know they're holding you up. So don't race to them. Race to your car. We're 3/10 better. Let's get by them. There you go, that's beautiful right there. There you go, keep doing that, man. Keep some roll speed up. Bigger arc right here. Go, that arc really helps you there a ton. Same thing here, set him up on exit. Get under him, carry it under him. Still there, clear, run away, go get the next, clear by 4. About 5, 6, 3/10 faster than the leader that lap. 15 to go, P3 in front of you, you're P4 right now, let's go get him. Quick battle lap car here, quick as you go. Nice job, still there. Still there at your quarter, clear up to the wall off, clear all the way, use all the room. Let's go get the next, that's the top 3 right there. Beautiful entry into there, beautiful entry right there. Big arc over here, almost a half a second faster than the one in front of you. There you go, come on baby. Bigger arc into here, roll that, we'll throw it off brake. Off brake roll, nice. Slowing up top, you're going to have to get under him coming off here. Nice job, still there, clear. you go. Go get him, bud. Keep being smooth. Arc it in. Nice roll speed. There, that's pretty right there. Get your arc and start chasing it down off the board. 3/10 quicker that lap. Really good through there. Really nice corner. Really, really nice. Keep digging. 3/10 plus faster. Got 12 laps to get him. 12 to get him. But big arc, breathe. Don't think about nothing but driving. Figure out how to beat him. He's over driving, trying to block you off here. He's going to make mistakes. You'll get it. Coming to 10 to go. Digging, buddy. Keep digging. You're doing everything right here. Best 3 and 4 of the night right there. Best of the night. Let's go on and get by there. Got 9 to go. 9 to go. There you go. Right on that white line or even down on it off the floor is good. Don't drive in, drive your car. You know you're 3/10 quicker. We'll get him right here, man. Look at you closing on him. Come on, make a mistake in front of us and we got it. Go right up on him here, right up on him. Down there, Terry, down there. Come on, there you go. Hard in here, hard in. Still their door, still their quarter, clear, clear. All clear, all clear. P3, P3. Clear by 5 and driving away. 3/10 quicker than the leader. 4 to go, clear about 5. Looking good, bud, looking good. You're doing a great job, man. Breathe, don't get wore out here. Still clear about 5. You got 3 to go still. Slow car up top. Still there, clear. There you go, that's back in your groove. Clear by 7 now. Clear by 10. White flag, clear by 10. Checkered flag. P3, your first super late start. Go to the front stretch and get your podium. You'll do an interview up there. So park right on the checkered round thing up there when you get around. Excellent job, dude. We had a hot rod there at the end. You got a hot rod there. We got something good for the 200. Go 45 up beside the one car here on the front stretch, and then they'll hop out and do your interview. Good job, bud. How was your car at the end there?
There wasn't like we've struggled with the whole day, but we managed.
10-4. We'll work on it, get it better for next time. Excellent job, man. P3, first super race. First time at this track. Great job.
Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you, parents, for letting me do this. Key, everyone that played a role in this. I mean, that was awesome. Thank you.
This is just day 1 of the rest of your life there, kid. Enjoy these, man.